Nay, nais ko po kayong batiin ng Happy Mother's Day. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa inyo na sa iyong pag-aalaga sa amin na walang kapantay. Ang iyong pagmamahal sa amin na walang hinihintay na kapalit. Maraming salamat, Nay. At sa mga pag-uunawa nyo sa amin na hindi masusukat. Maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng sakripisyo nyo sa amin, Nay. I'm so thankful to have you as my mother. Happy Mother's Day. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Nararuta kayo, Nay.
Nay, I'd like to greet you Happy Mother's Day. I'd like to say that we're always grateful and thankful, of course, for being my mother. And we'd like to always appreciate all you do for us. And know that we're always here for you. And stay beautiful and healthy all the time. Just keep serving the Lord. May God bless you more and more. Again, like to greet you Happy Mother's Day, Nay. I love you.
I would like to say Happy Mother's Day to Tita Marimar, and I appreciate that she's always by my side and she is teaching me what's right, and she's always by my side all the time. And I want to wish her the best day and the best week ever. Happy Mother's Day, Tita Marimar. I love you.
Hello po, kamusta po? Happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat. Lalo na kay Mama, kay Sister Emily. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day din kay Sister Marimar sa asawa ko. Kay Sister Sophia sa biyanan ko. Kay Sister Irene sa ate ko, kay Sister Jane, sa hipag ko, kay Pastor Lynn, sa pastor ko, kay Tita Lilia, sa tita ko. Happy Mother's Day sa inyo, sa lahat ng sisters sa church. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day po sa inyo lahat. God bless you. Ingat po kayo palagi. Pagpalain kayo. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much for everything you do for us and for our church. God bless all of you.
Hi Ma, happy Mother's Day. First of all, I wanna thank the Lord for giving me an extraordinary mom like you. Thank you for your tender loving care and thank you for all your sacrifices mula mga bata pa kami. And thank you for bringing the whole family to the house of the Lord. Because that's the best blessing that we receive from you. We as one family, every Sunday we go to church and serve the Lord. And I know you're always worried about me. Just take care of yourself, take your medicine on time, and when you're tired from work, get enough rest. I love you, Ma. Someday I will find someone that will take care of me. But right now, let me take care of you, Dad and Chris. I love
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Salamat sa lahat ng pag-aaruga mo sa akin. Kahit na nagkasakit ako, hindi ka lagi. Salamat. Sana lagi kang masaya. Sana easy ka lang sa trabaho mo kasi masyado kang hardworking. God bless. Alam ko lahat ng gusto mo magbibigay ka.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mommy Lily Reyes. You took care of a lot of people, especially me. We have lots of fights, but we make up very, very well at the very end. I'm thankful to have you, and happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. My wish for you today at church is that you can come to the midday services, evening services. and then come every Sunday. Hopefully, you'll get closer to God, and I'll learn more from you. Thank you, Mommy.
Okay, Happy Mother's Day, Jane. Thank you. And more power. And be patient on me. And thank you. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mat. Salamat po sa anak ko na binibigyan niyo po sa akin. Tapos salamat po sa pinag-alagaan niyo po sa akin. At salamat po at masarap po luto niyo. At Happy Mother's Day, Mana.
To my ever supportive and loving wife, a Happy Mother's Day. Tunay na aking kinikilala ang iyong pagmamahal, pagmamalasakit, at higit sa lahat ay pagtitiis bilang isang ina. Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa ating Panginoon sapagkat ikaw ang kanyang ibinigay sa akin bilang butihing may bahay at bilang isang ina sa ating mga anak. Although no one is perfect, ngunit masasabi kong ikaw ay may mga katangian na higit pa sa iba. Ang aking kahilingan ay patuloy na kalakasan, kalusugan at karunungan ang ibigay sa iyo ng ating Panginoon.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Thank you for the things that you did to us. Salamat sa pagluto po ng masarap na pagkain po. Thank you for taking care of us even when Dad is not here.
Happy Mother's Day to Mami. Salamat po kami sa inyong tulong at salamat at po natulungan niyo po kami ng marami para matulungan po kayo. Wala kasi po kayo ng Diyos at ipunsin niyo po sa niya at walang pagsasawa sa pagsulong namin. Salamat po. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. We love you.
To God be all the glory. I would like to take this opportunity also to greet my wife, Pastor Lynn, as the mother of our children. And I really do appreciate you, Pastor Lynn, as being the mother and also a wife to me. You're really doing the best you could in spite of your sickness and situation. Nandiyan ka lagi para sa amin. Your love, your patience, your presence, your care to each one of us. Lagi mong iniisip ang ikagaganda at ikabubuti hindi lamang ng ating pamilya, ng mga bata, ako, pati na rin ng church. I really do appreciate all the things you are doing. And thank you for God gave me you in my life. And I hope and pray that you will continuously find the healing and strength that comes from the Lord, and that we could continuously work together like before when it comes to our ministry, calling, and also our being parents to our children. I wish you all the best, and may the Lord bless you and enjoy the day of Mother's Day and being a part of the motherhood. Okay, God bless you, and I love you, and the kids loves you. Be strong. Happy Rapture. And this is also my greetings to all the mothers here in our local church. As your head pastor, Pastor Lynn and I, we would like to greet all the mother. Happy Mother's Day, and may the Lord bless you all, that more mothers will be added unto salvation and be part of God's work, God's household here in our local church. And may the Lord be with you all. Enjoy your day. Happy Mother's Day. God bless you all.